My phone got an emergency alert at exactly 12:03 a.m. It said, "Do not look outside your window." I thought it was some stupid prank. But then, every phone in my apartment building started ringing at the same time. I walked to my window anyway, and standing in the middle of the street was a woman. She wasn't moving. No blinking, no breathing, just staring directly at my apartment. Then she smiled. My phone buzzed again. This time it said, "Do not let it know you saw it." I stepped away from the window and heard a voice behind me whisper,